We are looking forward to support from all stakeholders in digital payments ecosystem to make this campaign successful and amplify the reach nationwide through all the channels and communities that each one of us touch. Thank you.
Safely and confidently transact through a profusion of digital platforms and apps. As all of you are aware, by now India has about 330 million smartphones today, and the numbers are growing at a frenetic pace. In India, the digital payment sector is projected to reach $500 billion by 2020, contributing 15% of India's GDP, as per a report by Google and Boston Consulting Group that, ironically was undertaken in the pre-demonetization era. The regulatory reforms to enhance interoperability among different digital payment instruments will further bolster the sector. The IT Ministry was perhaps the first department to which the Google team presented the idea of launching Tez, our India first mobile payments app.
फोन में पिन या पासवर्ड जरूर लगाएं, किसी को भी अपना फोन ना दें। ऐप का पिन या OTP किसी से भी शेयर ना करें। लेन देन करने से पहले मोबाइल नंबर या अकाउंट नंबर जांच लें। दुकानदार भाइयों, मोबाइल वॉलेट से पेमेंट लेते वक्त ध्यान रखें कि QR कोड सुरक्षित हो और कोई छेड़खानी ना करे उसके साथ। सभी लेन देन वॉलेट के स्टेटमेंट से बराबर मिलाते रहें। किसी को अपने वॉलेट की ज्यादा जानकारी ना दें या ना ग्राहक से लें। इन बातों का अगर आप रखेंगे ध्यान तो डिजिटल पेमेंट है बिल्कुल सुरक्षित और आसान।
This is a very strange protocol to be followed every time. This is, I think, the 15th speech I'm delivering on the digital economy. And every time after the entire Mahabharata and Ramayana has been narrated, the ministry is called to talk about what is the Ramayana, what is the Mahabharata. You had three big experts, starting from my secretary, who is a highly qualified technical man, to Rama, to Chaitanya Krishna Swami of Google, everybody coming and enlightening you about what is the digital world, giving you all the facts and figures. What is supposed to be the keynote address, madam? Will you tell me? I don't know. Every time they give me a script, and all these 15 times I'm never able to follow the script at all, because everything that is ever in the script is already being told. So what am I supposed to do? I don't know. People at the back are not getting a good view, but then I think the media has the right to cover the incident, so obviously they have to be there. And for us politicians, we like to see 1 million people in front of us when we make a speech, you see. So when you walk into a small, tiny little hall and 4 tables and 20 people approximately, we don't get the great motivation to make a speech. I mean, this is true for all politicians, because we are accustomed to addressing large crowds, and if you see 1 million people out there, it always inspires us to come out with ideas. But I'm very happy some of the biggest brains in the country, in the industry, are here. So I think that more than makes up for the numbers. So I'm very happy to be here. Numbers don't matter sometimes at all. We had, in terms of numbers, pardon me for repeating a couple of things, we had 1,164 crore transactions this year on the digital. We had digital transactions, 1,162 crores. We're hoping this will touch 1,800 by the end of the year. And the Honorable Prime Minister has built up the biggest digital economy in the history of the world in India, and that's happening in India.